Hello everyone, my name is Gani Wijayarmando and in this video I will doing a micro teaching using content and language integrated learning method. So today we are going to explore a fun and expressive part of English grammar called interjections. Have you ever thought, wow, when you saw something amazing or said, oops, when you make a mistake? Those words are called interjection, and they help us show our feeling quickly and clearly. Want to get know more about interjections? Let's dive in. In this video, you are going to learn first, understanding what interjections, their definition, their function, and their types. And the second one is to learning to use interjection in sentence. What is interjections? An interjection is a word of or phrase that express a sudden emotion or reactions. It can stand alone or be part of a sentence, but it doesn't have a grammatical connection to other words. An interjection is typically set apart from a sentence by an exclamation mark or by a comma. Interjections convey feeling like surprise, joy, pain, or frustration. For example, the first one is when you are surprised. Wow, that's amazing. Second one is when you are in a pain. Ouch, that's hurt. The third one, when you are joyful. Yay, we won. And the last one is when you make a mistake. Oops, I dropped it. Function of interjection in conversation. Interjections also play an important role in conversation. They help regulate the flow and show how we feel about what's being said. For example, if someone tells you a story and you say, wow, it encourages them to continue. But if you say, uh-huh, it might mean you are listening, but not necessarily excited. These little words help us understand each other better and keep conversation going smoothly. Types of interjections. Interjections can be classified into several types based on their usage and meaning. The first one is primary interjections. It means words or sounds that only function as interjections and have no other grammatical role. Often simple sounds like oh, or wow. Second one is secondary interjections. Means words that usually serve other grammatical functions, now as a noun, verb, or adjective, but can also be used as interjections such as stop or hey. And the last one is emotive interjections. These express a speaker feeling or emotions such as joy, sadness, anger, or surprise, like yay, ew, or oops. How to use an interjections in a sentence. The first one, if it appears at the beginning of the sentence. The interjections will be followed by a comma or an exclamation mark. Example, bravo, you did a great job. Second one is if it appears in the middle of the sentence. It will be set off by a comma. Example, this soup, it's just terrible. And the last one, if it appears at the end of the sentence, it will be set off by an exclamation mark or question mark. And the example is, that was a close call. Phew. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and don't forget to say wow when you're learning something new. See you next time.